Alright guys, welcome back. I took my shower this morning because it was too late when I got home last night. I didn't want to make people angry. So anyways, very sorry. I made a mistake. Libet said he was subscribed to me. I double checked. If you go back to my emails on this October 3rd, I think it said it was. He was subscribed. He accidentally put his phone in his pocket and unsubscribed, so I apologize for calling you out a little bit. Please forgive me. I make mistakes. I'm not perfect. I jump to conclusions very often, sometimes very quickly, so I apologize. I'm sorry about that. But anyways, because I already told Curtis I'm going to send him a gift card, I'm still going to hold my word to that because my word means a lot to me, so I will still get Curtis the $30 gift card to Home Depot, so my bad. And yeah, so let this just be a lesson to us not to jump to conclusions, judge others, and worry about stuff that could literally mean nothing. So I was kind of upset for a while, and it really is just, sometimes you just don't know, and you just go to extremes in your mind for reasons that, like, made up scenarios or whatever. So don't waste your time. Try not to waste your time doing stuff like that. So anyways, I'm about to head out to work. So yep, I will see you guys after 12 hours. So I hope you guys have a great day, and God bless. Also, Grant Piper, thank you for the words of affirmation. Thank you for sharing your faith. I appreciate that. Just knowing that someone cares out there is very nice, and I appreciate your support. Thank you, brother. Alright guys, welcome back. I got the exit signs up on this floor. This is 4, so I got the 2 white ones here, and then I did a couple of, actually I did 2 sets of blacks downstairs on 3 and 2, so I'll go show you that, and I'll just cut so you don't have to watch me walking down the stairs. Alright, so I'm down at the bottom of the stairs, and as you can see, you got the exit sign up here. This one is on. The one's upstairs, I'm not sure what circuit they're on, but they are not on. This is charging right here. You got the little green light right here underneath the exit sign, showing that the battery is charging, or I don't even know what that means exactly, but it's working. I totally forgot what that is right now. Another 12-hour day, so a little blank on the mind. It is very dark in here, so I'm going to walk to the other side with the flashlight, so I'll be right back. Alright, over here with the emergency light on, got the exit sign up over here. This one as well, and then I'll go show you the ones downstairs and when the rest of the stuff I did on 2 and 1. So I'll show you that, and hopefully they didn't lock the fire riser room. I did some work in there, and actually I could probably grab the key anyways if that's locked, so I can show you guys what I did in there just because I'm a nice guy. And once again, I am sorry a little bit for calling you out. I do apologize. Hopefully you don't hold that against me. I just called it for what I saw it as and didn't hear your side of the story instead of contacting you and calling you out in front of everyone. So really sorry about that. So anyways, hung this light right here, and I tied in all of the boxes from yesterday. Got all the switch legs in from the power down to the lights. So these are on, obviously. Got this one hanging and hooked up and tied that into the box right here. I had the wire hanging out yesterday, but I tied that in lastly once I got everything done. And then we got this light over here done, that light, and then the exit signs, which I also forgot to mention, but you probably already knew that. So exit and exit, and I think that's mostly everything that I did up here. I'm just kind of blasting through this real quick, but you guys saw it yesterday. Don't need to go too much into detail. Not sure what that box is for, but it is not done. So anyways, this one is an emergency light just because we ran out of fixtures. Just took an emergency one. I guess that actually lights up. It's weird, you pull this little plastic piece out or whatever, and then it lights up for the emergency instead of pushing it in. I don't know. Anyways, it feels backwards to me. I think you push it in and it's regular power, you pull it out and then it's on emergency or something weird like that. So anyways, I think that about wraps it up down here. That one doesn't have a lens on it. You can't really see that. So those are the 2 ones that we had here yesterday, and then switched to the emergency one here, and then I thought that was the emergency one, but that was actually a regular one. But anyways, ran out of fixture, so I just hooked that one up as an emergency because it is, and all the rest of them are regulars. And I got like metal shavings in my shoes that are just like crunching. So anyways, I'll go show you the stuff I did on the first floor. There's a lot of stairs, so I will cut. Alright, so I got this heater in. This is one of the 2 heaters that I did today. This switch doesn't really work with it. It just constantly stays on, doesn't really turn off. And then hooked up this door thingy, whatever that's for, power for that or whatever, so maybe it automatically shuts or whatever, but hooked the power up in there. And then ran a MC wire whip, which is going to be for an exit sign, and ran that into the wall, which goes in over here, which was a nightmare. Someone already opened the wall, so that was nice. I just unscrewed it, but it took me a while to realize that that wire was in the way. So that once I just pulled that out of the Mac 2, then I just pulled the sheetrock down and then hooked it up, stuck it back together, which makes it sound a lot easier than it was, because it wasn't, if I said that right. And then that wire goes around the outside over to here, and this thing is on or whatever, and it's blowing like 20-degree cold air for some reason, so that was really dumb. But anyways, there's a junction box right there that I stuck the wire through. I got up there, and there's like nothing to stand on or whatever, but basically I drilled a hole, but I didn't realize that there was a double barrel MC connector that already had an opening, because I couldn't see that from this side because there was already a wire in it. But maybe I could have seen that if I realized it was a little bit wider. Actually, that doesn't really work, but I feel like the inside is a little bit wider, not the outside, because it's the same size. But anyways, I drilled a hole and didn't use it, so just have to cover that up later if no one else uses it with a whatever it's called. And they already locked all the stuff up over there, so hopefully the outside is open. I'm not sure if it is. If it's not, then you won't be able to see anything I did in there, which was cool. I'll go check real quick, I guess. I'll try to prop this door open real quick just so I can get back in, because I don't have the key anymore. But I do need to throw some stuff in the gang box. I do have my headphones that I don't want to take home, and also I don't want to take home this drill bit in my pocket. So it's actually open. Alright, so I'll turn my flashlight on. Actually, I can just turn the light on real quick in here. Got some stuff going on. It's kind of dark. So anyways, in here, I showed you guys this before, I think, but I took a pipe out of here. Up here, it was supposed to be 28 inches, but I accidentally forgot how to math, so I got a 38 inches, which actually turned out better, so I didn't have to fight it with this pipe there, or a sprinkler pipe. So 38 inches. I was trying to back-to-back 90 right here, but I didn't bend it right. I bent it from the star instead of from the marker or whatever, so it was a couple inches short, so I had to put a couple in there instead of over there, because I was going to cut it anyways, because this room is so tight to try to get a whole stick of pipe in or whatever. But anyways, I did this back-to-back 90 from here over to this wall, and then the coupling is over there, wherever my finger's at, it's over there. So I actually got this first try, literally perfect fitment, no gap whatsoever, like the most perfect back-to-back 90 ever that I've ever done. So that was cool to get that like perfectly fit there. And then that runs over to a junction box, which is going to be for this air compressor. So basically just tapped out of the plug circuit and then ran around this side, and because I went a couple 10 inches too high, I was going to go through here, but I just had to move a couple straps so I could get that pipe through there. And I think that's it. I can't remember now. Oh, and then lastly that heater right there. So I'm gonna go before some homeless person gets into the building real quick. So anyways, I'm gonna go lock this stuff up, and yeah, so that should do it, guys. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. I'm gonna go to Home Depot, get that gift card, and throw my stuff in this gang box real quick. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Hope hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. It helped me out, and you guys would be doing me a big favor on my life dreams and goals. Anyways, yeah, always check out the description for social medias and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload videos or do live streams. And with that, guys, that'll do it. Thanks so much. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out. If you've ever been forced to use a broken lock and you're trying to lock it, the struggle is real. Very hard one-handed as well. I think I got it, y'all. So this is kind of the daily struggle of the last person that has to lock up. So you're just gonna check it, make sure it's locked, and then you're good. But yeah, not fun to the end of the day, but it's kind of a celebration as well. All right, Curtis, I got your $30 gift card right here. Merry Christmas. I just have to put it in an envelope. Hopefully this isn't too heavy to mail with the stamp. So anyways, Merry Christmas. I'm just gonna shut my fat mouth and stop getting myself in trouble, y'all. Anyways, thanks so much for the support, guys, on the giveaways. And next time we're gonna do it a lot better so we don't have this confusion. All right, guys, peace out. All right, guys, I lied, I'm back. Anyways, I'm thinking next time for the giveaways, let me know your feedback. I'm thinking like if you guys got the Cash App or like Venmo or some kind of electronic payment like PayPal or something, if that would be easier instead of trying to ship you guys tools, that way it saves me money, and that way you get it instantly and you don't have to wait like a week, or something goes wrong in the mail then you don't get it or whatever. So anyways, let me know if you guys want to do some type of electronic form of payment. Like, yeah, Cash App would be preferred because that's what I have. I don't really trust Venmo and I don't want to sign up, but I could have my friends do it for me or whatnot, or yeah, send the money if that's the case. But anyways, let me know your thoughts, guys. That'll do it, guys. God bless.